Hello friends! Today I will show you how to increase using any basic crochet stitch. Learn how to make basic stitches by watching my other videos from the beginner series. Increasing is basically making 2 or more stitches in one. We increase in zigzag patterns, when we work in the round, when we shape amigurumi, and in many other situations. When we encounter this type of instruction in the pattern, single crochet increase, or increase with double crochet, or 2 DC in one stitch, it all means basically the same thing. Generally, an increase means 2 stitches in one, but you may see specific instructions, such as 3 single crochets in one stitch or 4 double crochets in one stitch. Let me show you what happens when I make an increase. I have an unfinished row of double crochet stitches. To make an increase, make 1 regular double crochet in the next stitch. Now yarn over and insert the hook in the same base stitch. Make another double crochet there. Here's your increase. It looks like a V shape. We can now continue the row normally. Alright, let's see what happens when we make 3 or even 4 stitches in one. As you can see, the row is starting to bend a little. Let's finish it normally and see what happens. See, my row now is bent, and it's all because of our added stitches. You can do it with any type of stitch, so in the next row I will use single crochets just for fun. I'm going to work a couple of stitches normally and then make an increase in a random place. Notice that my next row follows the curve of the row below. I want to make another increase. I pick it at random now, but the pattern will tell you exactly which to choose. I look for the V shape, looking from above. Let's insert the hook under both of these yarn strands and make 1 single crochet. Now I make another one, again going under both yarn strands. This is our standard increase. Let's add a 3rd single crochet just for funsies. Now I can continue with my row. As you can see, my increase disrupted the row. Instead of bending the whole piece, it rather created a little bump. And that's all. Making increases is as easy as it gets. To learn how to decrease, see the video linked in the corner. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye!